a punch at a TSA checkpoint, state charges, filed, federal statutes left untouched. When the law is not fully applied, the gap between what was charged and what could have been charged becomes the most important part of the story.
Right here. I told you to stop here.
What's going on, sir? Come on, step out of here. Step out.
More here. Okay. More here. You can't find your back.
No. You did.
I told you to stop.
Hey, what's going on,
You gotta
sir?
twist your hand.
Just relax. Hey, stop. Oh, well, that's not going to happen right now.
No?
Nope, not right now.
What do you think?
What's going on?
Huh?
You said you were punching people. What's going on? Not punching anybody? No? Okay, they're just making that up?
Huh?
Yeah?
You see the marks on anybody?
I don't know. Yeah, what's in there?
Hey, did you call Mike?
Yes, I did.
In the corner.
Coordination center.
In the corner.
We're gonna go sit down over here. We're gonna talk to you. I prefer to stand. You don't. If you don't want to sit down, just stand up against the wall at least. What's going on?
None of your business.
What do you mean?
Take me to jail and book me.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Is that just what you want? That's what you prefer?
There was minorities and white trash.
Okay, so what happened?
You get your body cam on?
Yeah, everything is
blink
on.
and
Everything's recording.
What happened?
Okay, good.
What's going on?
A little tight.
Well, you were moving and you weren't letting us put them on you correctly,
Well,
so
I'm telling
it is
you
what it
shit.
is.
Take me down.
All right.
Did you hit anybody?
Huh?
Did you hit anybody? No, not at all.
Okay, we can check the cameras and it'll show that you didn't hit anybody.
I don't really give a shit what you see.
Why'd you hit someone?
It's none of your business.
Okay. Don't care. No.
Do you want to answer any questions?
No.
Okay.
They had any alcohol today? No, not at all.
So that ruffle some feathers, give you something to do, and scratch your nuts and look at chicks.
So you just wanted to give him a hard time?
Why not?
You just wanted to give him a hard time?
You're just a bunch of kids. What are you doing?
What's up?
You got the little man syndrome, and you got the ugly man syndrome.
Okay.
No matter how you dress yourself up, it's not going to change.
All right. Sounds good.
Take me down.
What's up?
Take me down.
Take me down where?
You got cause for cause. Take me down.
Okay. Yeah. We'll check the cameras and find out what happened. All right?
Sure.
Yeah. You want to have a seat over there?
Yeah.
No? You find where you are?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm being entertained.
What's up?
He assaulted him.
Yeah, you're detained right now.
Pressing charges. Okay.
Okay.
Hey,
Did he hit you at
I
all?
need you to show him your wound right now. Come here. We repeatedly told him to stop processing the checkpoint. He did not present a boarding pass. So at that point, he had no reason to be in the body scanner.
Okay.
So we bypassed one layer of screening. He had no reason to be on this side.
Okay.
So we need to figure out if he
So-
has a boarding pass. We'll go ahead and deal with him.
Yeah. So where did he hit you? He hit you right here on the. Did he punch you, slap you? What was it? Was it a punch?
Yeah.
Was it one time, two times,
Just
three
one
times?
time.
Just one time. Okay. And this happened while you were in the screening. Okay.
As he was walking, he was trying to walk through, and I just happened to be, standing there. So
Okay.
I was in the way, I guess.
I get it. Do you feel any pain or anything like
Not
that?
really, no. Just a
No.
little-
Did it start bleeding at all or anything like that?
yeah, it did. Yeah.
Okay.
Just, just
Do you
cleaned it up.
want EMS to come and check you and make sure
I
that
think
you're
they
okay?
recalled. I think they recalled the EMS to check.
Okay. Yeah, we'll get EMS en route and everything. Make sure that you're
Okay.
okay. Okay. Did he hit you anywhere else?
No, they
Any
didn't.
scratch marks? Any slap marks?
Yeah.
Grabbed your arm? Anything like that?
Yeah, because the supervisor just got there at that time. So.
Can you remove the Band-Aid for me?
So he didn't show you a boarding pass at all?
EMTs are on the way.
Yeah.
He didn't show a boarding pass at all
No,
or
he
anything
breached.
like that? He just
breached.
breached?
Yeah,
Okay.
everybody told him to stop. We all tried to stop him, and then he tried to stop him. He punched him in the face. I saw it. And then my supervisor ran up there. Thank God he was there because look, I wouldn't have been able to stop him. So I'm glad he was here.
Okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna bring out a witness statement. If you could just basically write down what you told me. Okay. Essentially, that's what we're gonna be using for the report and everything, and we'll go from there. In the meantime, EMS is on the way. Just give them a few more minutes, and they'll come and check you out and make sure that you're okay. All right?
Okay, I'll be right.
Yeah, you can go and sit down if you would like.
Hold on now. You take too long.
So yeah, he wants to press charges. He says he got hit in the head.
What's going on, man? What's up? What's with the attitude? Huh?
I don't deal with mental midgets.
You don't deal with what?
Mental midgets.
Mental midgets? Did that guy offend you or something? Huh?
No.
No? Where you trying to fly to?
Huh?
Where you trying to fly to?
Yep.
Okay. All right.
Heads up. Heads up.
I'm way down to 25 on that.
Alright.
I could take him from here.
No, it's okay. No.
I mean, hold on a second. Let me go look.
What's up? Yeah, I got him. I got him. Yeah, it might be Jordan's.
You want to just take her car?
Yeah, let me go get her keys. I thought you were parked by him.
No, I'm down 25. You can walk down 25.
What's this, huh? No. Good? Yeah. All right, over here.
Let me check his cuffs real quick because I kind of put him on.
All right, hey, we're going to check your cuffs, all right, okay? We're just going to loosen them a little bit, all right? Just watch your step, watch your head, all right? Just slide on in. Step up, slide in.
Terry v. Ohio, 392, U.S. 1968. Investigative detention requires reasonable articulable suspicion. Arrest requires probable cause. An active battery call confirmed by multiple witnesses satisfies both thresholds before deputies made first contact. Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 989. Use of force is evaluated from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the moment of decision, not with hindsight. Risk control applied in response to active resistance falls within the proportionate range under this standard. Miranda v. Arizona, 384 U.S. 436, 1966. Custodial interrogation requires prior advisement of Fifth Amendment rights, without exception. A handcuffed suspect was asked whether he committed the offense he was detained for. No warnings were administered. This is textbook Miranda non-compliance. Berkemer v. McCarty, 468 U.S. 420, 1984. Custody exists when a reasonable person would not feel free to leave. Pennsylvania v. Moniz, 496 U.S. 582, 990. Biographical booking questions are exempt from Miranda. Incident-related questions are not. Asking, did you hit anyone, is not a booking question. Michigan v. Mosley, 423 U.S. 96, 1975. Once a suspect invokes the right to silence, all interrogation must cease immediately and completely in this footage. Questioning continued after the invocation. Every statement obtained after that moment becomes legally fragile and subject to suppression. City of Houston v. Hill, 482 U.S. 451, 1987. Verbal insults directed at law enforcement are constitutionally protected speech under the First Amendment. personal offense is not a legal standard. Officers who understand this protected themselves here. 49 C.F.R. Section 1540.105. A valid boarding pass is required for entry into the sterile area beyond a security checkpoint. 49 U.S.C. Section 46,503. Assaulting airport security screening personnel is a federal criminal offense. Both statutes apply to this incident. Neither was charged. 18 U.S.C. Section 111. Assaulting a federal employee in the performance of official duties carries up to 8 years federal imprisonment. TSA transportation security officers are federal employees under the Department of Homeland Security. State assault carries a fraction of that exposure. The difference between what was charged and what the law permits is not a minor procedural gap. Key lessons. Custodial interrogation without Miranda advisement produces evidence at risk of suppression, not conviction. Invoking the right to silence must be honored immediately. Statements obtained after invocation face exclusion, regardless of how damaging they are to the defense. Charging decisions that ignore applicable federal statutes leave accountability incomplete. State charges were filed, federal statutes were not applied, a suspect was questioned without Miranda, invoked silence, and was questioned again. Is this a charging decision, a procedural failure, or a pattern that extends beyond this incident? That question does not have a simple answer. What matters is whether the right people are asking it.